shoot!
Yes!
Yes!
Hi guys, it's Joe from Belper Vlogs, and on this cold, wet, dismal December day I'll be heading down to the Silver X Stadium. See Belper play Lincoln United. It'll be a huge game in the context of our season. Lincoln 3 points ahead of us inside the playoffs. If we can win, we could potentially get in those playoffs, but if we lose then we could be a bit further out of the picture, so imperative we get a result here today. I think we played alright against Gresley. It wasn't really much of a game. I mean, played alright. Gresley didn't offer much, but one thing I would say though is just a little bit more composure in the final third. We snatched a few opportunities against Gresley. If we can just be a little bit more composed, it's going to be hard in the slippy conditions, but if we can do that, and also Lincoln, we know what they're about. Playing twice already this season, obviously the dramatic injury time winner in the FA Cup. But they're quite long ball, they're quite direct, beat us 5-2 at their place earlier in the season. So they'll be quite direct, they'll be watertight at the back. We're going to have to do well to break them down, obviously hold off the long balls at the back. But if we do that, we should be able to get a result, and let's hope so. In the meantime, give it a like if you enjoy it, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I'll see you.
Get up. Oh, unlucky. Unlucky. Go on. Get up, get up. Ooh.
Give it him. Come on!
Oh. It's good defending. Want to get the seconds though. Oh, lucky. To the ball. It's half time. Belper 1, Lincoln United 0. Pretty even half. Belper got a goal. And conditions pretty bad. Getting colder, getting wetter. Today's not a day for football. But the question is, can we grind out 3 points? Oh, that's a great goal. Give it in! Hey! Oh.
Yeah, it won't be cooled off.
On that!
Oh.
Come on!
Hey!
Come on! Go on! It's one!
She did. Oh, that's a good save. Oh, he's off! Hey, he's off!
Corner! Looks good to me, that. Oh! Goal!
Come on! He's only... Oh!
The Belper! The Belper! The Belper! Reject! Reject! Reject!
Full time, 2-2. Disappointing. Taking points a point, but I feel like we could have got 3. But there you go.
Well, yeah, so there we go, full-time Belper 2, Lincoln 2. I think it was a disappointing result. We could have won. Let's just think about it. 1-0 half-time, I think. Pretty even first half. We just took the one chance that came our way. And then, second half, talk about their equaliser. A good cross-come shot. For you mentioned it was a good strike. Only he will know that, really. But when we got back in the game, Milner brought it down by their keeper for a penalty. We all thought it was a send-off. I thought it definitely was. But I heard from someone after the game, he was a bit of a paradox. Well, apparently if it's inside the box, it's only a yellow card. So after, not sure about that. We now thought we took the penalty away, but we didn't. We failed to clear a free kick from Lincoln, and the points were shared at 2-2. We hit the post, and then like Darren Amvers, similar to what happened against Marsk. Really, it was 2-2, and we hit the post. So we could have. Both of those had gone in. We've had 4 extra points. So yeah, look, not quite going our way. It was important not to lose today. Still in touch distance of the playoffs, but a lot of other teams were abandoned today due to the weather. So we have played 2 more games than most of the teams around us. So we are 3 points outside the playoffs at the moment, but other teams will definitely catch up to us. So yeah, as ever, drop a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I'm Joe from Belper Vlogs, and talk to you in a while.